Now here's something unusual. Here's Piper sitting on her tuffet, but she has her paw out in front of her like she's holding herself up or something. Yeah, you should relax, Piper. Yeah, put your paws in the loaf position. Yeah, then you can fit it on there real well. I know you're a long kitty, but you don't have to put your foot out there if you don't want to. Yeah, maybe she does want to. Well, that's pretty interesting. Yeah, let's go around and get a different view. Should we? Or are you going to look this way? No, I don't think she's going to look over here. That's very interesting. She's not moving. You can just see her propped up there like that. Yeah, you never know what you're going to see her doing. Here, we'll move around, look this way. What is that, huh? What is that all about? Oh, you're pretty cute. You always find something new and different to do. Yeah. Oh, what a face. Yeah. Oh, now we can see it. Hi, baby. Hi.